As the final days of December slip away, drone enthusiasts around the world are left wondering what happened to DJI's much-rumored Avata 360. For months, fans have been expecting the company to drop a major announcement before the year's end, perhaps a teaser, a certification leak, or even a surprise launch event. But instead, there's been total silence from DJI. No previews, no promo shots, and not even the faintest sign of a teaser video. For a company that usually follows a predictable release rhythm, this quiet spell feels anything but normal. DJI has always been a creature of habit when it comes to launches. Typically, certification documents appear shortly before an official reveal, followed by sleek promotional imagery and a short teaser highlighting the key feature. Most of their product unveilings tend to happen mid-month, often on a Tuesday or Thursday. If that same logic applied this year, mid-December, specifically the 16th or 18th, would have been the perfect launch window for the Avata 360. Yet, those dates came and went without a whisper. Even the expected teaser drop a week earlier, which normally builds anticipation, never arrived. The lack of any pre-launch signs suggests that a 2025 debut isn't just unlikely, it's off the table entirely. Reports from sources close to DJI in Shenzhen indicate that the Avata 360's launch has been postponed to January 2026. Interestingly, this isn't believed to be due to technical setbacks but rather a calculated strategic delay. DJI is apparently taking its time to adjust to early market hype and a surge in competition, particularly from a rival company called Anti-Gravity, which has been making waves with its own drone. Day 1. Following DJI's usual release timeline, the most likely debut dates in January 2026 would fall around the 16th or 18th, with a teaser potentially dropping about a week before. Until DJI confirms anything, all eyes are on the first few weeks of January to see whether the company finally breaks its silence. This story becomes even more intriguing when you look at the rivalry driving these moves. It all began back in mid-August, when Anti-Gravity made a bold announcement that it was developing what it called the world's first true 360-degree drone. The company launched an ambitious teaser campaign that created massive buzz online. But when presentation day arrived, they unveiled only a prototype, confirming that the drone wouldn't actually hit the market until January 2026. That revelation reportedly set off alarm bells at DJI. Insiders claim the company responded by orchestrating controlled leaks of its own 360-degree model, the Avata 360, which was already in the final stages of testing. Once Anti-Gravity caught wind of this, it quickly shifted gears, moving up its own schedule to secure an early advantage. On December 4th, the Anti-Gravity A1 officially launched, a clear attempt to outpace DJI and dominate the conversation. As A1 units began reaching early customers, reviews and performance footage started appearing online, further intensifying the pressure on DJI to respond. Meanwhile, on a separate front, DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 project seems to be moving along steadily. The device recently cleared a major milestone, FCC approval, removing one of the biggest barriers to release. This approval ensures that the Osmo Pocket 4 isn't affected by the new US regulatory decisions that have complicated things for DJI's drone division. According to reliable sources, DJI is planning to release two versions, the standard Osmo Pocket 4 and a premium Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. The Pro version is rumored to include a second camera module, offering creators more shooting versatility and advanced capture options. Industry insider Photosabs has reported that the standard Pocket 4 is still targeting a January launch window, which aligns with previous expectations. On the other hand, the Pro version's development is ongoing, and while it hasn't been cancelled as some feared, it won't arrive as soon as early leaks suggested. Current projections indicate a launch sometime after April, possibly in late spring. So while creators can expect the standard model soon, those holding out for the Pro edition will need a bit more patience. All of this is happening against a backdrop of significant regulatory changes that have left many DJI users in the US uncertain about the future. Recently, DJI was officially placed on the FCC's covered list, a designation that sparked a wave of confusion and misinformation online. Some users feared this meant existing DJI drones would be grounded, restricted, or rendered inoperable by firmware updates. Fortunately, that's not the case. The FCC's decision primarily affects the import and sale of new future drone models from certain foreign manufacturers. including DJI, does not apply to drones that are already approved or currently on the market. This means your existing DJI drone is completely safe. It won't be banned, it won't stop working, and you won't lose access to flight permissions or registration. DJI owners can still register their drones with the FAA, obtain official identification numbers, and continue flying without restrictions. All currently approved DJI drones, including popular models like the Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, Mavic Series, Air Series, and the Avata lineup, remain legal for sale and use in the US. Retailers aren't required to remove these drones from shelves. And online stores like Amazon, any customs delays or import slowdowns that users might notice are tied to separate logistical challenges, not the FCC ruling itself. Despite these clarifications, misinformation has led some owners to panic and sell their drones out of fear that they'll soon be unusable. In reality, that's not only unnecessary but potentially a costly mistake. When panic selling spreads, drone prices often drop temporarily, but once people realize that the restrictions don't apply to current models, demand for used DJI drones can actually rise. This means savvy buyers could resell them at higher prices later. So if you recently bought a DJI drone, whether it's a Mavic 4 Pro, Air 3S, or any other model, there's absolutely no reason to worry or rush to sell it. Your drone will continue to fly just as it always has, and the FCC decision doesn't change that. As the new year approaches, DJI fans are entering a waiting game. The Avata 360 remains one of the most anticipated drones in recent memory, and its delay only adds to the mystery. With the competition heating up and the drone industry's spotlight shifting toward immersive 360-degree capabilities, the first few months of 2026 could mark a turning point. Whether DJI reclaims the lead or finds itself playing catch-up, one thing's for sure: the skies are about to get a lot more interesting.